video I used a black stiffened felt sheet. I also tried a brooch pin, black frill trim. I used iron-on scripted letters and a Bible, or you could use a journal if you choose, but I'm deciding to use a Bible today. And don't forget the glue gun. I started by creasing the edges of the stiffened felt paper because this type of felt paper has structure. You don't want to use a felt paper that's very flimsy. Then I folded the paper and created flaps by cutting the corners. And I also cut excess paper from the flaps so they wouldn't be too long. I then use the glue gun and I add a line of glue. So I did this kind of wrong. I would suggest that you fold over the flaps with the glue while the Bible is at a 90-degree angle or halfway closed. I didn't do that and I had to do it all over again because the Bible couldn't close after I glued it. So here I redid the gluing while the Bible is folded closed. This is the best method to do it by.
Every single night, right? Every single fight, right? I was looking at the gram and I don't even like lights. I was screaming at my daddy.
Here I measured the trims to make sure it is the proper length for the Bible. I decided just to do the two sides of the Bible. But here I just started gluing with the glue gun. All you really need is just one line of glue. You don't have to do too much.
Made a movie for BT, searching for a deity. Now you wanna see it free, now you wanna see it free. Let you see it 3 apiece. Tell me what your life like, turn it down a bright light. Driving with my dad and he told me it ain't Christ-like. I'm just trying to find, I've been looking for a new way. I'm just really trying not to really do the fool way. I don't have a cool way, being on my best though. Block 'em on a text though, nothing else next though. Not another word, let a picture or a decimal. Wrestling with God, I don't really wanna rest so.
I used a black Sharpie to color it in the areas where I was a little messy with the glue. A black Sharpie does wonders. Sometimes glue dries white or a little light, and since it's black, you could tell where the glue was a little messy. Here I'm placing the brooch on the Bible to see where I want to put it, and I decided to add felt on the back of the brooch to create stability. The back is not flat, it actually has a pin on the back and is not leveled. So I wanted to kind of make just make it flat and stable in the back, so when I glue it onto the Bible it will not be shaky and it will stay put.
I was screaming at my daddy, told me it ain't Christ-like. I was screaming at the referee just like Mike, looking for a bright light. Seagull, what your life like? Riding on a white bike, feeling like a sight bike, pressing on the gas, supernova for a night light. Screaming at my dad and he told me.
And here I'm just taking off some glue, excess glue. Then I'm gonna grab the Sharpie again and color in where I had too much glue just to make it dark. Making dots on the Bible to tell me where I want to put it, the brooch. Then I start to apply the glue to the brooch. You're probably wondering why I chose a dragonfly. Honestly, it was just the nicest brooch in the store. But when I looked it up, I realized it symbolizes change, transformation, self-realization, mental and emotional maturity, and a deeper understanding of life. And I thought that was pretty fitting for me during this time. I laid out the iron-on letters, which spells my name. Here I'm just checking to see the sturdiness of the brooch. I'm putting it down the back. D-I-E-A-D-R-E, that's my name, Deidre.
This morning I said my prayers, I'm all doing good. I try to talk to my dad.
I'm attempting to put the letters in a straight line. It was not as easy as I thought, but I tried my best. I used black letters because I didn't want my name to be a focal point, but the black on black came out pretty good. You'll see it later on in the video. Iron-on letters are extremely easy to use, very simple. Take it out of the package, place it where you want it to go, place a t-shirt over it, and then just iron. I don't know if the color of the shirt makes a difference with bleeding, but obviously I use black. Okay, I'm back at it. I really don't remember how long you're supposed to iron for, but I kept checking and it was a little loose, but I think I finally got it now. The black letters are subtle, but I really, really like it. Didn't want it to be a big deal. So now I just started ironing everything. This is definitely not necessary. You do not have to do it. I'm just really extra and a perfectionist, so I wanted everything to look really smooth and clean and really, really good. And there you have it, a simple Bible case. It took me about 40-50 minutes to do, but it came out great. Now here is a close-up. Look how beautiful the black on black looks with the letters. It looks so, so great, and I love it. I love it, I love it. This is a close-up. Look how nice the felt looks. Everything just came out really, really, really nice, and I'm really happy with this end product. This is my second time doing a Bible case. I'll show you my first one. It's a little grungy because I've had it for 3 years now, but I'm just so happy. I love the colors of the dragonfly on the black. Excellent. Love it. So here's my first Bible case I've ever made. Same felt. It has lace, and this is actually from a necklace, and it has my nickname D. You can follow me on Instagram at D New York City. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Hopefully I'll be making a couple other things soon. But until then, see you later.